This video serves as a powerful reminder of the potential hazards workers face when operating near overhead lifting equipment. In this scenario, a heavy steel coil is being transported by a specialized crane system. Because the worker was positioned close to the suspended load, an unexpected shift caused the material to strike the immediate work area. This incident highlights how quickly a routine task can become hazardous when safety zones are not maintained. To stay safe, you must always avoid the red zone by never standing directly beneath or within the potential swing path of a load. Maintaining a safe buffer allows for a quick response if an equipment failure occurs. Always stay vigilant. Communicate with operators and prioritize safety protocols to protect the well-being of every team member. Workplace safety is a vital commitment that starts with your awareness. This footage serves as a stark reminder of the high stakes involved in heavy machinery operations when a massive metal component being hoisted onto a truck suddenly plummeted due to rigging failure. The incident occurred during industrial loading in harsh, snowy conditions, causing the load to crash violently into the vehicle. Personnel nearby narrowly avoided injury through quick reflexes and proper positioning outside the direct impact zone. This highlights the golden rule of site safety. Never stand under a suspended load and always maintain a strict exclusion zone. To prevent such accidents, equipment like cables and hooks must be meticulously inspected before every lift. Furthermore, only certified professionals should manage hoisting with a safety spotter present to provide warnings, especially when adverse weather increases operational risks. Safety is the result of rigorous preparation. This footage captures a staggering moment where a single lapse in caution led to a massive chain reaction in a ceramics warehouse. While handling inventory on an elevated platform, a worker accidentally dropped a unit, triggering an uncontrollable domino effect. Within seconds, the towering racks collapsed, reducing the inventory to debris. The incident stemmed from unstable shelving under misstep during high-level handling, because the system was not properly anchored. The impact caused the entire structure to lose integrity. Thousands of fragile items were destroyed, resulting in significant financial loss, though workers luckily avoided harm. This serves as a vital reminder to prioritize structural integrity by anchoring racks, following strict safety protocols, and conducting routine inspections to prevent such costly disasters. Proper safety is always non-negotiable. The following summary highlights a critical forklift safety incident involving two workers while reversing out of a warehouse. The vehicle gained unexpected speed, causing the operator to be thrown from the cab. The unmanned forklift continued backward until striking a wall, causing the load to shift and fall. The operator became pinned and sustained a lower body injury before being rescued by co-workers. This serves as a vital reminder to prioritize safety protocols. Always use wheel chocks to prevent unintended movement. Maintain slow speeds in tight spaces, and strictly follow seatbelt compliance to stay protected within the cabin. Proper certification and clear communication between operators and spotters are essential to prevent such accidents and ensure a secure environment. In a warehouse equipped with high-reaching storage racks, a worker in a green uniform was performing his duties using a mobile step ladder. While positioned on the ladder, the individual became distracted by a handheld device, likely a smartphone. Instead of maintaining full awareness of his surroundings and following safety protocols, his attention was completely absorbed by the screen. This lapse in concentration led to a loss of balance. In a split second, the worker slipped and fell from the ladder onto the floor. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the importance of occupational safety. Distractions can lead to preventable mishaps. To ensure a safe environment, it is essential to maintain focus, avoid personal devices while working at heights, and strictly adhere to safety guidelines to protect yourself and your colleagues from workplace hazards at all times. In a professional workshop setting, a technician was maneuvering a heavy piece of yellow machinery while a beige dog rested nearby on a mat. As the equipment was pushed forward, it unexpectedly lost balance and toppled over. Thanks to sharp instincts, the dog scrambled away just moments before the heavy unit hit the floor, narrowly avoiding a serious mishap. This incident serves as a vital reminder of the importance of situational awareness and equipment stability. We must always be mindful of our surroundings, including pets or bystanders, when handling large loads. Even routine tasks carry inherent risks, and ensuring that machinery is properly balanced before relocation is essential. True workplace safety relies on proactive measures and a safety-first mindset rather than luck. Vigilance is the best tool to ensure a secure environment for everyone involved at all times. In industrial environments like warehouses and repair shops, unexpected incidents can occur in a split second if safety protocols are overlooked. These videos capture intense moments where massive shelving units and heavy equipment suddenly lose stability, posing an immediate threat to the safety of everyone and even pets in the vicinity. Such failures often stem from unbalanced loading, unstable movement of equipment, or structural supports that are not rated for the weight they carry. These events serve as a critical reminder to strictly follow health, safety, and environment HSE regulations. Perform regular inspections of racking systems and maintain constant situational awareness. Always thoroughly assess your work area and ensure machinery is properly secured before operation. Taking a proactive approach to hazard prevention is the most effective way to protect yourself and your community from avoidable workplace risks. Vigilance is the key to safety. This footage captures a harrowing close call within an active industrial facility that serves as a sobering reminder of workplace hazards. While the crew was focused on their tasks, a heavy machine component suddenly detached from a high-speed rotating unit, launching with immense force and missing a technician by mere inches before slamming violently into nearby equipment. Fortunately, thanks to split-second instincts and standing slightly off-center, the worker avoided a direct impact. The incident unfolded so rapidly that those on site were left visibly shaken by the who-via moment. This serves as a critical reminder that strict adherence to safety protocols is non-negotiable. Double-checking the security of clamps, utilizing machine guarding, and maintaining a safe distance are essential practices to prevent unpredictable and dangerous outcomes in the machine shop. This footage captures a distressing industrial accident at a waste processing facility, serving as a stark reminder of the hazards in high-pressure work environments. While a heavy-duty shredder was in operation, a worker was suddenly caught in the conveyor system due to a brief loss of situational awareness. Colleagues reacted instantly to deactivate the equipment and provide emergency assistance. This incident highlights the necessity of strict safety protocols. First, maintain constant focus around high-capacity machinery, as complacency leads to severe consequences. Second, wear well-fitted gear and respect no-go zones to avoid entanglement. Finally, all staff must know the location of emergency stop buttons. Safety is a collective responsibility. Staying alert ensures every worker returns home safely. Awareness and adherence to guidelines are the best tools for prevention. This industrial safety footage from a manufacturing plant serves as a critical reminder of the dangers posed by heavy machinery. The video depicts a worker attempting to clear a jam or adjust a large processing machine while it is still in operation. leading to an entanglement injury due to a brief lapse in situational awareness to ensure a safe environment. Lockout tagout LOTO protocols must be strictly followed. Never perform maintenance while equipment is powered on. Additionally, all manufacturer-installed safety guards must remain functional to prevent contact with moving parts. Continuous training is vital, as avoiding shortcuts prevents life-altering consequences. Prioritizing these established safety standards is the only way to protect the well-being of every team member and ensure a secure production environment for everyone. Industrial safety hinges on a zero-tolerance policy toward complacency, as even a minor shortcut can lead to devastating consequences. A recent incident involving heavy-duty CNC machinery serves as a stark reminder of these risks. A worker bypassed protocols by reaching into an active rotating zone, resulting in an immediate and severe injury when the high-speed spindle caught them. This tragedy underscores the absolute necessity of strict lockout tagout LOTO procedures. Never attempt to adjust or service equipment while it is powered on. Furthermore, engineering controls like safety guards and interlocking sensors must be functional to prevent such breaches. Beyond hardware, personal responsibility, such as wearing fitted attire to avoid entanglement and maintaining constant situational awareness, is vital. No quick fix is worth the physical toll of an industrial accident. Maintaining safety during lifting operations is vital in heavy industrial environments where the risks of standing too close to suspended loads are extreme. This video illustrates a situation where an operator positioned themselves within the potential full path of a massive steel coil being moved by an overhead crane. When a mechanical failure occurred, the load dropped unexpectedly, leading to a severe impact. To prevent such incidents, facilities must establish a strict no-go radius, ensuring personnel never work directly under or within the swing path of a load. Team members must be trained to identify these danger zones and maintain a safe buffer distance. Furthermore, rigorous inspections of hoisting cables and hooks are essential to catch wear before failure. Ultimately, situational awareness and clear signaling are the best defenses against such life-altering industrial accidents. This footage captures a specialized amphibious excavator during a dredging operation where a routine task quickly turned into a major mishap. While the machine initially moved smoothly on its pontoon tracks, a sudden shift in the center of gravity during a turn near the shoreline. This footage captures a major industrial accident involving a heavy-duty crane during a lifting operation. Due to a mechanical failure or an unexpected load shift, the crane's boom suddenly buckled and collapsed onto the work area. A bystander demonstrated incredible reflexes, narrowly escaping the impacts only just seconds before the massive steel structure crushed materials and equipment. The aftermath reveals the sheer force of the impact. Concrete shattered, vac units flattened, and the crane overturned with severe cabin damage. This serves as a stark reminder of the line of fire principle. Never stand within a crane's operating radius. It underscores the necessity of rigorous equipment inspections on safety perimeters. Even a minor oversight or a moment of complacency can lead to catastrophic property damage and life-altering consequences. Always stay alert and safe. This footage captures a high-risk maintenance operation involving two workers in a deep excavation trench working on a large industrial pipeline. Dressed in full protective gear, the team is suddenly engulfed by a massive plume of high-pressure vapor and debris following an unexpected release. Fortunately, the workers demonstrated quick reflexes, successfully navigating out of the danger zone and climbing to the surface. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of pressure management and lockout, tagout LOTO protocols. It highlights the absolute necessity of maintaining clear escape routes and having a robust emergency response plan. Working in confined spaces requires constant vigilance, as even a momentary failure can lead to significant risks. Always verify zero energy and ensure all lines are depressurized before beginning any hazardous work.
Inside a metal fabrication facility, a worker narrowly escaped a life-threatening situation when a massive yellow component suddenly detached from an overhead crane due to a mechanical or rigging failure. The heavy load fell from a significant height, landing mere inches from the worker and creating a massive dust cloud upon impact. This near miss highlights critical safety protocols. Workers must never walk under suspended loads and should always maintain a safe perimeter. Industrial facilities must establish restricted zones and conduct rigorous pre-shift inspections of all cables and rigging gear to prevent structural failures. Maintaining constant situational awareness and heeding crane warning signals are essential. In high-stakes environments, safety is measured in seconds and inches. Following these rules ensures that every employee returns home safely. Inside a metal storage warehouse, 2 workers were coordinating an overhead crane to transport long steel bars when a sudden mechanical failure caused the load and lifting assembly to fall freely to the floor. The high-impact collision created a massive shockwave and dust cloud, but the workers narrowly avoided a catastrophic situation by fleeing the danger zone just split seconds before impact. This incident underscores critical safety protocols. Never stand under suspended loads, and always maintain a safe distance outside the potential fall zone. Routine inspections of cables, hooks, and braking systems are mandatory to detect metal fatigue. Furthermore, adhering to load limits and maintaining constant vigilance are essential for safe operations. Ultimately, industrial safety is the result of strict procedural compliance, not luck. At an active construction site, a worker in a blue hard hat was pinned against a metal wall by a reversing white excavator that failed to detect his presence. This alarming incident underscores the extreme risks of working near heavy machinery without proper coordination. To prevent such events, ground personnel must maintain safe clearance and avoid equipment blind spots. Operators are required to maintain 360-degree awareness, utilizing mirrors and spotters during movement. While PPE, like high-visibility vests, increases detectability, it cannot replace the need for physical distance from hazards. Clear communication systems and detailed risk assessments to identify crush zones are mandatory for site safety. Ultimately, strict adherence to safety protocols is the only way to ensure every worker returns home safely. In the fast-paced world of industrial operations, the line between safety and a major incident is often measured in inches. This footage captures a massive steel load being hoisted by an overhead crane when a sudden mechanical failure sends tons of metal into a freefall. The high-impact collision triggers a massive dust cloud dangerously close to personnel. Fortunately, thanks to quick reflexes, workers cleared the area just moments before impact. This serves as a stark reminder. When operating heavy machinery, there is zero room for error. Never linger beneath a suspended load, and always implement rigorous pre-operational inspections of cables and hooks to prevent rigging failure. Personnel must remain vigilant, monitoring warning signals and maintaining a strict safety perimeter. Safety is never luck. It is the result of discipline. Prioritize safety over speed. The incident occurred when a team of workers attempted to manually support a stack of large industrial panels on a truck. As the securing straps were released, the unstable center of gravity caused the massive load to collapse in a domino fashion, pinning the crew. This tragedy highlights a critical failure in unloading methodology, where manual labor was dangerously used to counter industrial-grade gravity. By standing directly in the line of fire, without a clear path for egress, the workers were trapped by the shifting panels. This accident was entirely preventable with mechanical assistance like forklifts or A-frame supports. It serves as a stark reminder that human strength is no match for heavy materials. Workplace safety requires recognizing risks and utilizing proper equipment before any restraints are loosened to ensure a secure and controlled environment for all personnel. That is a harrowing story, and honestly, it's one of those freak accident scenarios that keeps people up at night. It's incredibly rare for someone to survive a direct hit from a runaway truck tire, as those things can weigh upwards of 100 kilograms and carry the kinetic energy of a wrecking ball at highway speeds. The fact that she survived is a total miracle. While it looks like random bad luck, these incidents are usually rooted in preventable mechanical failures like improper wheel nut torque, bearing seizures, or ignored inspection signs like rust streaks. This event highlights the danger of transition zones where high-speed traffic meets stationary pedestrians. It is a sobering reminder that safety requires constant mechanical vigilance and high situational awareness to prevent such life-altering consequences. Would you like me to help you summarize this into a shorter safety alert? A heart-stopping moment, captured on security footage, serves as a powerful reminder of the unpredictable dangers present in everyday work tasks. The video depicts a worker on top of a fully loaded truck, attempting to secure a heavy tarp. In a split second, a loss of balance causes the individual to lose their footing and fall from the vehicle onto the hard pavement below. This sudden incident left bystanders in shock and underscores the critical importance of workplace safety protocols. It is a sobering wake-up call that even a brief moment of distraction or the absence of proper fall protection gear can lead to serious consequences. The key takeaway is clear. Always prioritize safety regulations, utilize appropriate harnesses when working at heights, and maintain total situational awareness to protect yourself from unforeseen risks. In the world of metal manufacturing, precision is everything. This video captures a high-stakes industrial incident known as a cobble, where red-hot steel hits a snag and lashes out like a glowing whip with immense kinetic energy. This unpredictable event highlights why strict safety buffers and physical barriers are vital in heavy industry. The workers' survival came down to extreme situational awareness. By staying alert to unusual cues, they reacted in milliseconds. While PPE is essential, it cannot withstand direct contact with such intense heat, making rapid evacuation the true lifesaver. Fortunate factors like the steel's trajectory and clear exit paths prevented a tragedy. This serves as a powerful reminder that safety is never optional. Constant vigilance and strict adherence to protocols are the only ways to ensure every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. The footage captures a high-stakes moment at a material storage yard that serves as a chilling reminder of workplace hazards. While an overhead crane was maneuvering several tons of steel, a 5-ton wire rope suddenly snapped without warning. The massive load crashed to the ground with incredible force, sending a shockwave of debris and dust into the air. Remarkably, the operator nearby reacted with lightning speed, narrowly escaping the path of the falling material by just a few feet. This incident is a powerful wake-up call regarding the strict adherence to industrial safety protocols. To prevent such close calls, businesses must prioritize routine inspections to identify wear or corrosion. Furthermore, load management is vital. Never exceed the rated capacity, as overloading puts immense stress on mechanical components. Finally, personnel must always stay clear of the drop zone. In the industrial world, safety is a necessity. Even a minor oversight can lead to life-altering consequences. Always put safety at the forefront of every operation. This dramatic footage from a tire repair shop serves as a critical reminder of the hidden dangers in high-pressure environments. While 3 workers were focused on their tasks, a large truck tire suddenly experienced a violent pressure failure. The sheer force of the blast launched the heavy tire into the air, striking a nearby technician upon its descent. As the dust settled, his colleagues reacted instantly, one moving to safety while the other rushed to assist the fallen worker. This incident highlights the unpredictable nature of pressurized equipment and the absolute necessity of rigorous industrial safety protocols. To prevent such accidents, facilities must prioritize the use of safety cages during inflation and ensure all personnel maintain a secure distance from high-risk components. In any technical workspace, situational awareness and strict adherence to safety guidelines are the best defenses against unexpected equipment failure. Safety should always be the top priority. In high-capacity machining, focus is the most critical tool a worker possesses. This footage captures a severe equipment failure where a massive steel workpiece suddenly dislodges from a high-speed lathe, striking the operator with immense force. In just a split second, a simple oversight in securing the workpiece transformed a standard production task into an unpredictable industrial emergency. This incident serves as a sobering reminder of why strict adherence to safety protocols is non-negotiable. Always double-check the clamping force and ensure the workpiece is centered and locked according to technical specifications before starting the spindle. Furthermore, never stand directly in the potential line of fire or the trajectory where a part could eject. Keep all machine guards and safety shields closed. There is no room for shortcuts or complacency. Safety must come first. This footage captures a harrowing moment in a commercial kitchen, serving as a vital reminder of the hidden dangers in high-heat environments. During a routine check of an industrial oven, a catastrophic pressure failure occurred, dislodging the door with immense power and creating a high-velocity shockwave that knocked the operator back. This incident highlights how quickly a standard workday can turn into an emergency, causing significant harm and equipment damage. To prevent such disasters, a culture of safety is essential. This includes rigorous inspections of pressure relief valves, adhering to crack and weight (SOPs), and wearing proper PPE. Staff must be trained to recognize warning signs like unusual sounds or odors. Safety is never optional. A single oversight can lead to life-altering consequences, making equipment integrity a daily priority for every kitchen team. A harrowing incident occurred on a construction site when a worker's leg became entangled in a crane's tagline just as the machinery began its lift. Within seconds, the worker was pulled high into the air, clinging to a massive bundle of steel reinforcement bars. Despite a desperate struggle to maintain his grip several stories above the ground, the sheer force of the machinery and the weight of the load made it impossible to hold on. To the shock of onlookers, the worker lost his hold and fell to the concrete floor below. This serves as a devastating reminder of the risks in heavy lifting and the necessity of a safe perimeter. Workers must never stand within a red zone or under suspended loads. Riggers and operators must maintain clear communication and conduct visual sweeps before any movement. Strict adherence to safety protocols is a life-saving requirement for all. In the middle of a bustling street, a single moment of split-second distraction led to a high-stakes emergency. A man, fully absorbed in his smartphone, inadvertently stepped into the blind spot of a heavy-duty truck just as it began to move. The incident happened in the blink of an eye as the massive vehicle made contact, leaving bystanders in utter shock. Fortunately, the quick response of those nearby helped prevent a worst-case scenario. This incident serves as a powerful wake-up call. Just a few seconds of looking down can jeopardize your safety because large trucks have significant no-zone areas where drivers are completely blind to pedestrians. No notification or social media update is more valuable than your physical well-being. To avoid a real-world tragedy, always keep your eyes up and your phone away while navigating traffic. Your life depends on it. A routine stop turned into a high-stakes emergency when a motorcycle suddenly burst into flames while refueling at a local station. In just a matter of seconds, the fire intensified, completely engulfing the bike right next to the fuel dispenser. Fortunately, the gas station staff acted with incredible speed and composure, deploying on-site fire extinguishers immediately to suppress the blaze before it could escalate into a major disaster. While the motorcycle sustained significant damage, thankfully no injuries were reported. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of why we must follow strict safety protocols at the pump. Always turn off your engine and remove the key before fueling. Keep your phone tucked away to avoid any electrical risks, and beware of static electricity by staying outside your vehicle to prevent sparks. Stay safe and stay alert at the pump. In an industrial production environment, a female employee wearing a pink jacket and a safety cap is observed standing near active heavy machinery. Moments later, a male worker in dark clothing climbs onto a raised platform adjacent to the equipment while a colleague assists from below. As the operation progresses, the first worker steps down, and two other team members join the site to begin adjusting the equipment, likely attempting to perform maintenance or reposition a heavy component. During this task, an unexpected mechanical failure or a sudden loss of balance occurs, causing one worker to fall from the platform. While the team rush to help, this incident serves as a critical warning about the necessity of maintaining safe clearances from active machines, adhering to strict lockout, tagout protocols, and ensuring proper fall protection is used at all times to prevent hazards.